In this tutorial, we will make a vase out of magazine pages. You will need an old calendar, a penknife, scissors, glue, a satay stick, patterned paper or cloth, and pages of a magazine, which we will use to make straws. Each straw has a white end that tapers to a point. With this in mind, begin by rolling a corner around a satay stick. Seal the straw with glue. Make 40 of these straws. Using old cardboard, cut out two 10 cm by 10 cm squares. Apply glue to one square, then stick the white end of a straw to the square. Glue two straws to the first corner and one straw to each of the other corners. Seal the two squares together and let dry. This will form the base of the vase. Secure with masking tape. Cut out patterns to decorate your vase with, or glue on patterned paper and cloth. Now, take one straw from the first corner and fold it upwards. Take the straw in the second corner and fold it over the first straw. Take the straw in the third corner and fold it over the second straw. Repeat. To extend the straw, simply apply glue and fit on another, wide end to narrow end. Continue weaving until the vase reaches a desired height. And glue the ends of the straw along the side of the vase. Using clips to hold it in place until it dries. And your vase is done.